We also have another fun alternative on our pina colada called a blue Hawaiian. Our blue Hawaiian mixing glass, once again. We're filling this to the top with ice, just like with our pina colada. I'm gonna go with 1.5 ounces of white rum in this case. So we know where 1.5 falls in our shot glass. I'm still gonna make a 2-ounce cocktail. I need another 1/2 ounce of something to make it blue. And this is where we can get into that blue curacao. So 1/2 ounce of our blue curacao. Then we're gonna go and add in 3 ounces of our pineapple. We'll go with 1 ounce of our coconut. I think we're doing 1 ounce of the coconut because the coconut's expensive. Pineapple juice, surprisingly not that expensive. So, shaker tin. We'll go and shake this one up. Again, glass always on top. And we're gonna serve this in a tall glass, just like our pina coladas or our chi-chis. And same kind of thing. Every last drop in there. We can garnish this one with, again, a pineapple. Throw a cherry on there too. Blue Hawaiian.
Start Bartending is an online course covering everything you need to know to confidently begin as a bartender. We will teach you how to make more money by making your customers happy with premium cocktails, efficient drink building techniques, and product knowledge. Go to startbartending.com to sign up for the course that can change your career and create new opportunities for you.